The Feldenkrais method is a method about functional movement. Functional movement like jumping, running, rolling over and sitting up, crawling, reaching, hand-eye movements. It's the foundation for all movements. By practicing the Feldenkrais method and then your sports activity is even better. You have more endurance. You have more coordination. This applies to playing baseball, to playing frisbee, running on the beach, being able to play tennis or golf. Even the practice of yoga gets better with the Feldenkrais method. So we recommend that you warm up with a Feldenkrais lesson and then go and do whatever it is, because you're going to feel more comfortable and you're going to spread the effort of muscular activity throughout your whole system, so you won't tire as easily. It's quite phenomenal, actually. I hope you'll try it.